So we are here in the Suzuki and Royal Enfield concessionario, the dealership in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, and I think it's a very beautiful day to buy a new motorcycle. We saw, you will see the bike in a minute, but we saw this bike in the shop and I was like, we have to have this, you know, it's very, very beautiful, and it's from my, when I was younger, you know, this bike was one of the first 600 we rode in our group. So now we will show you the shop, because the Royal Enfield part is very, very nice, and also the Suzuki, and we maybe you know, talk to guys. So follow me. The Suzuki SV650X, which is the cafe racer style. I really like this color. I know it's beautiful, and I'm very curious because we want to make a pair with the Yamaha XSR and make a kind of urban offer with some, hopefully with some clothes as well. So if you like this style cafe racer, this bike is, I think it's going to be really good. Twin cylinder, 650, 76 horsepower, a lot of torque as well. This is A license, it's not H2, so obviously, you know. We got this extra headlight here as well. This is our first Suzuki bike, so we'll see how the cooperation works, because we are also thinking maybe V-Strom, which is quite popular bike as well, and we'll see how it goes, this one, and then we continue. So let's make some paperwork and we take the bike for a ride.